Hello friends, welcome to Excel tutorial. My name is Muhammad Mujibuddin. We have done 4 videos in past on Vlookup. Today is our 5th video on Vlookup. We are going to find the lookup value from 2 different tables. Until last video, when we had worked on Vlookup formula, we used to have only one table. Remember, we used to have only one table. Today we are going to find the sales value of these employees, which may be available in the table 1 or in the table 2. Before we write the formula, as we have learned in our previous lesson, that when we select any range and change the name here, it becomes a name range. So I have given a name range to the table first array as table 1, and I have given the name to the second array as table 2. Okay, and I have a note here that while we are working on formula and when we are in the edit mode, we cannot go back to the formula tab and name manager to see those two names. So we can press F3 to see those names to select in the formula. Let's start writing the formula. Remember, we are writing a formula to find the sales amount from 2 tables. We have to write Vlookup to perform a Vlookup search from first table if the value is not available, and then perform a Vlookup search in the second table and then give us the result of sales. Let's start writing the formula Vlookup. Select the lookup value. Remember, the lookup value is A6 because this is a relative cell reference. When we copy this here, it will change to B6. We will have to manually change it back to A6 to get the result for commission. Alright, Vlookup, select the lookup value which is A6, comma, table array, the first table array. As I told you, if we don't remember the names, we can press F3. We have got these names. Select the first table, okay, comma, column index number is going to be the second column, which is sales, 2, 0, close the bracket, enter. Fortunately, this employee James is available in the first table array. That's why we have got the result. But think, if it is not here, we would have not got the result. Okay, let's go back to the formula. F2, come all the way in front of the formula, just after the equal sign. Press if error, come all the way to the end of the formula, comma, if this employee James is not available in the first table array, we have to give a blank instead of NA. But we are not done with this. We have another table to be searched, right? So we need another Vlookup. So we will write again if error, open the bracket, Vlookup, select the lookup value. Remember, it's F6 and it's a relative cell reference, comma, table array. This time it's going to be the second table. I am pressing F3, selecting the second table, okay, comma, column index is again 2 because sales is available in the second column of the second table array, comma, 0, close the bracket. Once we are done with this, we can now press comma. Now we can give double quote, because if the value is not available in both the tables, then we will give a blank. Now press close the bracket, again close the bracket, because we have to close the bracket twice because there are two if functions in the formula. Press enter. Once we are done with this, we will now copy this same formula to find the commission. When I am pasting this, it's giving me a blank because the lookup value has changed to B6. The lookup value has to be A6, right? The employee name James is in A6. As it is a relative cell reference, it changed to B6. We'll copy this, we'll paste this. We are getting a blank because the lookup value is not correct. We'll press F2, change the lookup value back to A6. The column index has to be changed to 3 because commission is in the third column, right? Even in the second search, Vlookup value is A6 and the column index is 3, 0, right? We have got the sales and commission. We can now select these two cells and double click to get the result for all the other employees. I hope you found this helpful, and inshallah in the next video we will learn how we can fix the formula so that we don't need to press F2 and manually change the lookup value, reference and the column index reference for both the cells. The formula itself is going to be extended in such a way that the lookup value will get locked and the column index number, which is 2 here and it is supposed to be 3 in the second formula, it will automatically get changed to 3. To know how we can do this, stay tuned and wait for the next video on Vlookup. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and also comment in the comment box, and if you wish you can also click on the bell icon to get the latest videos. So we will be coming back with the Vlookup video, which is going to be our 6th video, and it will help us to fix the formula, and we will not be in need to edit and change the lookup range and the column index number, which is going to happen automatically, and it's going to be in the next video. Till then, have a good day, have a nice day, bye bye.